Okay, now we're gonna unbox Phone Booth. I got this at Big Lots for $7, or basically $7.50. This is a good film. I love this film. Another good Joe Schumacher film. He doesn't have that many since the Batman films. But the special features are the audio commentary by director Joe Schumacher, theatrical trailer in high definition. That's about it for special features. And it's made by Fox. It is R-rated, DTS, HD, Master Audio. It's Region A. It's rated 14, and then ages 13, or N as in that ANS 13 plus, something like that. It is 81 minutes long. It's actually, it says 2003, but it's actually 2002. It was delayed because of the DC Sniper in 2002. So yeah, that's basically why it came out in 2003. I think only I know that though, because only I paid attention to movies back then. Even though it was all over the news, just like this black guy is now shooting up cops in LA. Come on. There we go. Ah, come on, cuz. Be like step by step. Yeah, cuz. There you have your Blu-ray disc and the Echo case, or recyclable case, or whatever they call it nowadays. So yeah, that was my unboxing of Phone Booth. Let me know if you got this, or if you've seen the movie and what you think about it. See y'all later.